Hopefully you're all staying safe. And I want to share with you some data from the last maybe whenever COVID-19 started around March. I want to share with you that what's been going online these days. And as I always say, search is targeting those who are problem aware. That's why they're going on Google. They might type in, for example, funeral home near me, window and door company near me. So these are targeting those who are already problem aware. And many business owners I talked to, they thought that post COVID-19, once people started with a stay at home, they're not going online to look for their services. And that is actually not true. So just for fun, I went on to multiple clients' account, just pulled their organic search, and even looking at the paid campaign. These are strictly organic search. These are non-paid traffic. You can see that starting March 1st until yesterday, the traffic more or less is still very stable, right? It's not like, hey, COVID-19 started and nobody are looking for home services. They are still looking for your services. However, they might not act on it right away. They might wait until this is behind them, right? The whole COVID-19 is behind them. Or they might still call you and you just need to let them know that how you're doing things differently. You still can do in-home consultation depending on your state, or you can do virtual appointments. But what I want to share with you first of all is people are still searching for your services. And second is you just have to adopt how you sell, right? Rather than just totally giving up, is you need to adapt how you sell, right? Doing virtual appointments, doing virtual arrangements, right? And the big thing here is people are still looking for your services. Please do not give up. So what we'll be educating our clients, again, depending on how much they can afford. I'm a business owner too, so I feel the pain as well. So typically is the very large players, they will continue to spend as usual because they're using this time to gain market share, and their team knows how to adapt to virtual selling. If not, if it's smaller business, what we typically will tell them is either cut your ad budget, right, by half or very, very substantially, so that way you're not spending money on marketing, but you still have traffic come in from organic, right? That screenshot I share with you is purely organic. It's not paid advertisement. So since more people are still coming to your website, you got to make sure on your website people know you are still open for business, how you're conducting business right now. But the only ad spend I will typically recommend for sure to continue going would be retargeting. Retargeting those ads that follow you around the internet. So even if they're not ready to buy it right now, these ads are nurturing them, right, while they are surfing the internet. And more people are working from home now, so they're online a lot more. So once this COVID-19 is behind them, then they are the first one, right? You're the first one they remember and call you. So what I want to share with you is three things. First of all, consumers, they are still online looking for your services. So just don't give up, right? Second will be make sure you know how to adapt into virtual selling for now. And the third thing here is make sure on your website, even if you're not spending money at all, you got to let, right, your consumers, your customers or families know that you're still open for business. But this is a time not to stay quiet, not to do anything and just give up. This is a time to adapt as people are still coming to your website. They're still looking for you.